One of the major reasons projects fail is that scope is not well defined. Some projects do extra work that does not contribute to achieving the project's objectives, and soon the project runs into trouble because of being over budget or late. Other projects may miss some important work that should have been done, and these projects end up as a failure too. Project scope management knowledge area ensures that all the required work is done and only the required work is done. No needed work ignored and no extra work taken up. If this is effectively achieved through scope management, the project will likely be successful. There are 6 processes in project scope management area. Plan scope management process creates the requirements management plan and the scope management plan. Then, following these plans, requirements are collected using various techniques in a requirements document in the collect requirements process. This requirements document is then used to write the scope statement for the project after further analysis during the define scope process. The project manager, working with the project team, then develops a work breakdown structure by decomposing the high-level deliverables into smaller deliverables called work packages. This is done in Create WBS process. At this point, after approval, the scope baseline is created. This baseline consists of 3 key things: the scope statement, work breakdown structure, and WBS dictionary. All of these 4 processes are planning processes. Then the control scope process is followed throughout the project. As the deliverables are being created, this process ensures that those are being created according to the specifications. Another monitoring and controlling process is called validate scope process, which only happens when a deliverable has been verified through control quality process and is ready for customer to formally review and accept. This is project scope management.